and it was 15 minutes away. It was 15 minutes into our second half at our score Mauritius. It was Lambasa nil and Lotoka nil here down here at the Fiji Factor soccer tournament at the Churchill Park in Lotoka. Nicely taken once again was Albina Binesa for Lotoka. It was to find the strong Nigerian center strike. It was Isasani, but the ball went out of play. It's a throw in for Lambasa. On to the 22 middle line, catching fielder. Nicely taken once again was a Mario Dunantama. It was a Dunantama as he places the ball into the back of the net and goal. It was a Lambasa one and Lotoka nil. Over to you once again. All the Jiba this afternoon. Jia Sutnayo we may take like a Pantana minute and Melotoka or Lamasa Kakiel Kachimotukae. Our response comments Wagat Kartuki or Lamasa Kastaka Madi Dunandamun about Tishandar Chotmara. And we take like a Lamasa Kadet, Lambasa egg, our Lotoka Kuchibina. You can in the Turankin Murmini, they never can go to Kunoitongo, not to be Murimuri like a Gonabua, Normoni Lambasa. It's a Pakanga Meravimuri like a Bulmako Mayanka, Merlikan and a Vintan and a singer Minasiani, and not to be Murivango, another one Lambasa, and Donivagi, it's to Mulagango, Mari Undulantamu, and to Tunitona Kilibus of a Mikoviso Michero, and Buket and Aura, and I cannot do Rugo, my talking over the Kilabasa, that is saying to Mago, and Keraton, another one Lotoka, over to once again a Raymond Stoda this afternoon, or to request inside line as the ball will out of play, and we'll be returning you to the studio here in Churchill Park in Lotoka for some music and some message with the kind sponsor of Punta Ransoms, as I've said, of the major sponsors here into the Fiji Factor soccer tournament at the Sweet City Churchill Park in Lotoka.